13 on Your Side's Money Guide, sponsored by Mercantile Bank.
Today, millions of Americans could learn the fate of their federal student loan debt.
President Biden expected to make an announcement later this morning, possibly delivering on his campaign promise of some student loan debt forgiveness by possibly providing up to $10,000 in debt cancellation. Now, details on the relief are limited, but ABC News is reporting that borrowers who earn less than $125,000 a year will be eligible for loan forgiveness. The president also expected to extend the pause on loan repayments through January.
More than 43 million people owe a combined $1.6 trillion in federal student debt. 1/3 of those owe less than $10,000. Now, the moratorium on student loans could end 1 week from today. Despite the expected extension, experts say you should still have a game plan for repaying.
Yeah, the first thing to do, remind yourself who your loan servicer is and how much you owe. You can find that information on StudentAid.gov. Once you get that information, you'll need to understand what your monthly payments are. One way to save money is by automating your student loan payments.
By putting your loan on auto debit, you get a discounted interest rate of 0.25%. Now, interest has not been accruing since the moratorium started, but it will once it ends. Another option that could help you save: federal consolidation.
And what that's going to do is it's going to take all of your loans, it's going to make it one single loan, extend your repayment term, but with the extension of your repayment term, it's going to lower your monthly payment. Most of us are thinking, well, we don't want to pay longer, we want to pay shorter, but keep in mind there's no prepayment penalties. So what you're making today may be a little bit lower than what you're going to make in the future. We also might be in a different economic situation. So consolidation might be a good option.
There are also income-driven repayment programs. This gives you a monthly payment based on income, household size, and other factors.
One option for low-income folks to consider is economic hardship deferment, which allows you to stop making payments for up to 3 years so you can establish your career and increase your earnings. But to be eligible for that, you have to meet certain criteria. Some people might also want to look at private education loans.
I know we focus a lot on federal, but with a rising interest rate market, if you want to see if your loans are in a variable rate situation and maybe refinancing them into a fixed rate loan might be the best option. 0.25% auto debit applies to both your federal and private loans. So let's try to get you into repayment, even if it just reduces it a little bit.
Also, don't procrastinate. Figure out how much you owe, then pick a program that's best for you, and don't hesitate to speak with your loan servicer. All the information is free. And one last piece of advice: don't default on your loan, because that'll end up costing you more in the long run, and it affects your credit.
For information on your loans, head to StudentAid.gov. And for more money saving tips, head to our website, 13onyourside.com.